Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and a JDK set. Once done, open New Project and pick Empty Activity so you focus on fundamentals. Choose Kotlin or Java intentionally, Kotlin for modern Android development, Java for legacy compatibility. Make sure to set an appropriate API level, lower minimum increases device reach, higher targets newer features. Configure the emulator now. Allocate reasonable RAM and CPU, and let Gradle sync complete before you edit code. This avoids you'll construct the UI next. Open Activity Main. XML and use constraint layout for predictable responsive behavior. Once your layout looks right in the preview, enable view binding and build. Gradle and rebuild. This gives safe, null-aware access to views. Then implement onCreate or onView created to attach handlers. Explain why lifecycle awareness matters. It prevents leaks and inconsistent UI state. After that, add libraries you need to build. Gradle, sync Gradle, and run small incremental builds so you catch integration issues early. You finish by running your app on an emulator or a physical device. Select Target, press Run, and watch Logcat for runtime messages. Use breakpoints and the debugger if behavior diverges from expectation. This reveals variable state and call flow. Add unit tests for logic and instrumentation tests for UI to catch regressions. If builds fail, read the stack trace top to bottom, then try Gradle clean and rebuild. Often a corrupted cache or mismatched dependency causes the issue, so clear caches before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.